Hello everyone, this is the Mac Society here with 15 MacBook shortcuts and how to use them. If you are looking to increase your productivity or just wanting to get the most out of your MacBook, these 15 shortcuts will help you. First, we'll be going over the Screenshot app. To open the Screenshot app, press Shift, Command 5. The Screenshot app will prompt in the middle of the screen. From there, take a screenshot, record your screen, record or take a screenshot of a selected portion of your screen, and more. All screenshots and recordings will be saved on your desktop by default. Let's see how we can use this in a practical application. So let's say we want some photos of some deer. After selecting Shift Command 5 and selecting the Capture Selected Portion in the menu, then I just drag the corners to make fit to whatever photo I want to capture. Then click Capture. The photo will be captured and saved to my desktop. And we'll do this multiple times. And this is a very easy and fast way to capture multiple images or text or anything else on your desktop. This next shortcut will let you see and preview a file. All you need to do to preview the file prior to opening it is press the spacebar. Something I use all the time is Command T. This will open a new tab on your web browser. This is very helpful when researching something or multitasking. To close the tab, press Command W. If you want to switch between active tabs, press Control Tab. To quickly access an emoji or special character, all you have to do is press and hold Control Command Spacebar to pull up the character viewer. If you see here, you can scroll down and you can pick through Apple's characters. Want to switch between apps? Press Command Tab. Then tap the Tab key until you highlight the app you want to switch to. And then release Command to change. When using the Finder, if you wish to change the file's layout, you can do this by holding Command and the keys 1 through 4. Command 1 for icon view, Command 2 for list view, Command 3 for column view, and Command 4 for gallery view. You can also select multiple files by pressing Command and clicking on the documents you want. You can then move those files to your desktop, to the trash, or to another file or document. Have you ever been typing an email or document and wanted to copy the text from another document and paste it in your current document style? Highlight the desired text, then press Command C. This will copy the text you have selected. Click on the document and area you wish to insert your recent copied text. Then just hold down Option Shift Command V. This will paste your copied text and match the style of the existing text of your selected document. To look up the definition of something while you are on the web or in an app, highlight the text, then press Control Command D. This will allow you to look up a word in any document, either in email or on the web. If you want to quickly find apps and documents on your computer or information from the web, you can use Spotlight. You can launch Spotlight by pressing Command Space. If you have a new MacBook Air with the M2 chip, you can press the magnifying glass located in the function keys of your keyboard. You can also prompt Spotlight by clicking the magnifying glass located in the top right corner of your screen. If you have an app open and quickly want to hide it, press Command H. It will not quit the app, only minimize the window. You can reopen the app from the dock. This is a great way to hide your current screen quickly from prying eyes. If you ever need help when in an app, press Shift Command. This will open the Help menu. And if you want to know shortcuts within an app, press anywhere on the menu. Shortcuts will appear in the Tool menu next to the menu item. Other helpful quick shortcuts are Command C for copy. This will allow you to copy any text located on your desktop. Command V for paste. This will allow you to paste any item that you have copied. And those are some of my favorite keyboard shortcuts. I hope this brief tutorial helped you out. Subscribe for more quick tutorials and Mac OS hacks. Thanks for watching.